Boats are fantastic things, aren't they? When they're in the water, that's where they're meant to be, right? In the olden days, no one would have even dreamt of trying to put a boat on a horse and cart and dragging it halfway across the country. But now we have cars. People want to get their boats out of the water all the time.
A boat belongs on the water, but a lot of them live on a trailer. Getting your boat from land to water can be dangerous. At best, launching your boat is a great way to start an argument. My invention attaches to the boat and to the trailer and allows you to get in and out of the water safely on your own without getting wet. Free the boat from the trailer so it rests only on the latch. Then set the lever to release mode and back the trailer into the water. Once on board, you gently throttle the boat forward. Immediately, the spring-loaded catch releases. To retrieve your boat, set the latch to capture, line up your boat with the trailer and just drive it on. My invention is maritime bliss.
Please welcome from Maiponga, just south of Adelaide, Jeff Davis. Hey, Jeff. What's it, James? Ahoy.
Thank you, James.
What happens is it takes ages for people to get their boats on and off. There's, what do you call it?
Ramp rage.
Ramp rage.
Yes. Most boats have an anchor.
Oh, an anchor? Boing, oh.
Yeah. And when
hit
you
the
get...
anchor, boing, oh, hit again,
Yeah.
that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Your invention is in two parts. There's this part and there's this part, and the beauty is when they come together and release. So we've sort of seen the release, and when it's released, it's left in that position.
That's correct.
But before you cast off, you put it in that position, and then when the boat comes ashore, well, tell us what happens. You steer it in, bring it in, tide. Oh, look, strong tide. Bang! It just goes in like that. And whereas normally you'd be stuffing around for ages, wouldn't you?
Yes.
But bang, just like that. You're connected. Fingers are all right.
Just like a marriage, isn't it?
It's just like a marriage, only it is a lot quicker. Come across. And there's no offspring.